Okay, we are upgrading light fixtures in this office area. These are 2x4 fluorescent light fixtures. I think they're the these are some wider. Okay, I think there's 5 of them in this room, and we're going with the World Smart LED light panels. These are super light and they are adjustable. They're adjustable brightness and they're adjustable colors. You can go from 4K to 5 to 6K, and I'll show you in a minute how. Okay, there's 6 fixtures in a box. They're super light, really nice. The panels are not edge lit. There's actually LEDs everywhere under the panel. I'll show you the back. Okay, this is the black. It's not completely flat. It has this little lip here. You can probably see it right there better. Here we go. That's a sticker. You can pause that and watch that. And here we go. Options. You can go to 4K, 5 in the middle, and 6. You can also go to 40 watts, 50 watts, and 72. Not 75, 72. We are doing 4 at 40 right now. That's the panel where you hook up your wires. Really easy. Tabs to hold in the ceiling. And I'm gonna do that one right there and show you how it works. Okay, this is the old fixture that I'm removing. Got these holders. The new fixture does not have the option to tie them up, but it has the tabs that will hold on to the rails. Just bend them up and I'll completely take them out later. Alright, circuit breaker is off. Just to make sure we're good to go. We're good. No power. And it's really simple. White, black, green, brown. Alright. that should be good to go. These are way heavier. I don't know how to show you how light this is, but I mean, I would say maybe between 8 and 10 pounds maybe. Really light. So I know that the wiring hookup was on this side. I will put that so you don't end up with a short pigtail. Also, what I have to do here, it's a really tight fit. So there's these tabs that are sticking out that come on these rails, and I bend them down right there, and it should fall right in. That's it. Okay, here we are. Let me get all my tools up here. There. So you can see how much of a low profile this is. It's literally as tall as the rails, if not even lower. Let me see if I can get a profile view of this. There we go. So this is the actual, see that it's like right there. So if you have an attic that you don't have a lot of space in because of ducting, pipes or something running around, we are clear in this one, but we had a couple of them where air conditioning ducting runs really low to the actual hanging ceiling, and these lights are really easy to put in. You're probably going to have a hard time removing the old ones, but if you're not removing anything, you're installing new, these are really awesome. Really low profile. Installation, there we go. It's really simple. Black to black, white to white, green, yellow to green. There we go. I'm probably gonna speed this up. There's no reason why to knock it out. Knockouts just by hand. I have put in this backwards a couple of times, so get the way it works. You'll see. One side slides in, other side is gonna be held down by a screw. So I'm gonna have to go this way. Probably should get some new strippers. These wires are kicking my butt lately. There we go. I'm using yellow wire nuts. Oops. There's that. black. You can probably use a smaller wire nut there. I mean, if you're depending on your wire sizes. Try another one. There it is. All right, that's all tight. There's plenty of room in here to get all that in, which is pretty surprising. I've done other LED fixtures, flat panels, and the actual place where you have to get these in really tight and not good. Put these stabs out. Make sure that's in. If you're doing this type, you can obviously you could have all kinds of other types of wires that you hooking up, but in this case this is what it is. There, put the wires in, slide it in. Okay, put the tabs up. Got this one. That's it. Okay, so now I'm done in this room. There's one fixture there that is not on. It's a night light and the circuit breaker is turned off, but all the other lights are on, and it's the difference is just crazy from the old ones to this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch through the colors, try to capture the difference between the colors on another one and the one I'm gonna go through. So there we go. So that one over there is set to 50 watts at 4K, and this one is as well right now. This is gonna be 40 watts right now. It's a little bit dimmer. I don't know if it shows up on the camera. It's reading not much between the 50. Let me see if I'm saying it right. 50, 40, or yep. So between 40 and 50, there's not a whole lot difference, but so here we go. This is 40, this is 50. It's not much difference. I don't even know if it shows up on the camera. And this is 72. It's a little bit brighter. There you go. And then I'm leaving it at 50 watts, and I'm gonna go through the colors, which again, I don't know how it shows up on the camera. We are at 4K right now. This is 5K. It's a somewhat cooler white. And this is almost blue. Pretty sure you know what I'm talking about color wise. And I don't know again how this shows up on the camera, but there should be it's a decent, there's a big difference between this and the 4K. There we go. I'm gonna set it to 50, 4K. All right. I hope that was good enough, and I'm gonna show you the difference between an old fixture and the new one. Between the two, I mean, the difference is huge. I don't know if I'll catch this correctly, but here we go. We have this one. I would say probably 4.5, 5 feet. No, inches. And this maybe 1.5. I would say. Here we go. There's the profile, and there's the profile. It is crazy. Not to mention you are getting more options with the new LED, as in everything. You know, the colors of the light and power, and it should save you a lot of money, or to your customer. So there you go, there you have it. If you think that I've done a halfway decent job at this video, then you know, don't be a stranger. You know what to do.